Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals if it says out of video memory error. Alright, the first thing that you need to check here is the system requirements, especially on the graphics section, which the graphics cards are listed. Make sure that you have at least the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 and AMD RX 580 or the Intel Arc A320. Alright, if your graphics card doesn't meet the minimum requirements, well, that's the reason why you are seeing this error. Alright, and the best thing that you can do here is to simply upgrade your hardware. Now, if you have the minimum requirements and you're still getting the error, go ahead and follow these set of instructions right here. First one is to update your graphics card drivers. Now, if you have an Intel or AMD graphics card, just go ahead and look it up online on how to update your respective graphics card drivers. So in this case, I have an NVIDIA graphics card, so I'm going to go ahead and right click on the NVIDIA icon right here at the taskbar. Click on NVIDIA app, or once called NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Now go to the drivers tab and make sure that the latest drivers are installed in my computer. If you already have installed the latest drivers and you're still getting the error, the past update might have a broken data. Alright, what you're going to want to do here is simply click on reinstall. Once done, restart your computer, launch the game again, and see if it helps. Now if that won't work, you might want to update your DirectX. To do so, go ahead and open up your favorite browser, type in DirectX, and simply hit on enter. Once you're in here, click this one from Microsoft itself and just simply hit on this BBB right here, or the big blue button. Download. Alright, and the download process will start. Just go ahead and continue with that. Install DirectX. Once done, restart the computer, launch the game again, and it should work now. If it still says the same issue, just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in game mode. Alright, click this one right here. Make sure that game mode is turned on. And in the left side, click on game bar. Make sure that game bar is turned off. Now here in the search bar, type in background apps. Click on this one and make sure that background apps is turned off as well. And then in the search bar again, type in graphics settings right here. Click on this one. Make sure that hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on. And make sure that Marvel Rivals is in here as well. As you can see here, if you don't have the game in here, just go ahead and click on Browse and go to Program Files x86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Marvel Rivals, Marvel Game. Click on the game and simply hit on Add. All right. Once done, once the game is added right here, click on it, go to Options, make sure that it is set to high performance. Once done, hit on Save. Launch the game again and see if it helps. Now if that still won't work, lowering the game's graphics settings might help. Alright,